Hello and welcome back in our MDT video studio. My name is Marco and let's be honest, why should an air conditioner just cool? Imagine your air conditioner automatically knows when a window is open, whether somebody's in the room. It works seamlessly with your shading system and maintains the perfect indoor climate all by itself. In this video, I'll show you why an air conditioning system only reaches its full potential when integrated with KNX, and what should you look for when planning the integration. A normal air conditioner can cool a room. You can control it with your remote control or with an app. That's not really smart. But this is where the real smart home idea comes into play. If you already have a KNX system or you're planning one, you can unlock a whole new level of automation. Instead of simply controlling the air conditioner, you get a fully automated room climate system. Your air conditioner can automatically respond to the room temperature, humidity, occupancy, the window contacts, or weather data. Let me give you a few examples. Open window detection. When a window is open, the air conditioner switches off immediately. As soon as the window is closed again, cooling automatically resumes. Or the perfect interaction with the shading system. In my opinion, one of the biggest advantages. For example, blinds automatically close when the sun becomes too intense. The room heats up much less. The air conditioner then has to work significantly less. That means lower energy consumption and greater comfort. Or occupancy-based climate control. Using presence detectors, the system knows whether somebody is at home. This allows the air conditioner to switch off completely while you're away or on vacation, or pre-cool the house before you arrive. KNX also makes it easy to optimize energy consumption. For example, your photovoltaic system generates surplus energy. The house is pre-cooled automatically. Electricity prices are high. Cooling output is reduced to save costs. Other thing is the complete control and monitoring. Now this is really where KNX kind of shines. Through your KNX server or smart home sensors, you can monitor and automate virtually every function, including the current room temperature, target temperature, operating mode, the fan speed, error messages, when a filter needs to be exchanged, and so much more. Now I'd like to show you our products that we have for these gateways. We'll start on my right side. We have two solutions for Daikin, one for commercial buildings and one for residential buildings. The main difference is basically what you can do in the ETS with these devices. Then we have a gateway for Mitsubishi air conditioners, and on my left side I have one for Panasonic, and what really is cool that in here are binary inputs already included. Each of these units come with a connecting cable, which you connect with your climate system. Now, what is very important to know what kind of HVAC or climate system you have and which kind of gateway you exactly need, or if it's possible to connect it with your system. For that, I would like to take you with me on my computer, and as usually, I'm here at the MDT homepage, and here in our product access area, you get all the information you need regarding all of the MDT products, and scroll a little bit down to Coresio, the product group, and here I have the KNX gateways for air conditioning units. Here you'll find basically everything that you need to know about the products, and in the download area in the bottom part, you will find all the files that are necessary. Here we go. So here's the KNX prod file, for example, the assembly operation instructions, and in the data sheet, this is where you will find, for example, for the Mitsubishi gateway, which different types are accessible for this gateway that we have. So please check it first. I would just like to sum it up. In the past, I haven't really thought about connecting climate systems or HVAC systems with the KNX system, but the more I do think about it, the more it does make sense. Now, I'm very interested to see what are your thoughts about these solutions and the idea of connecting both systems. Looking forward to your comments below. This should be it from my side, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video.